Let's first loosen the machine nut securing the steel wires to wheels. Pass the wire through the center of the support frame of the landing gear. Pay attention to the installation direction of the support frame. On this side, there are screws, and the other side has no screws. We need to make the joint fit together. Then we install the fixed rubber parts. Fix it with screws. This side is fixed. And install the fixed rubber parts on the other side. Then install the fixed rubber parts. Secure with screws. The support frame is now preliminarily complete. Then we start to install the tires on both sides. The distance of the tire steel wire is about the same. Use this wheel lock to fix the tire. Tighten the machine screw to fix it. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Tighten the screw of the wheel lock. Install the tail wheel support first, and fix it with screws. Next, install the lower wing to the fuselage. Fix it with screws. Next, install the landing gear on the fuselage. Note that the short side is in front, and the long side at the back. Fix it with 4 screws. Apply glue to the bottom of the simulation engine. And the corresponding slot of the nose is also glued. Then put the exhaust pipe on the right side. Install the simulation engine forward. Stick it firmly in place. Apply glue to the bottom and sides of the mock machine gun. Apply glue to the contact surface of the fuselage. Then fix the muzzle forward and glue it tightly. The other side is also glued and fixed. Apply glue to the contact surface of the dull and the cabin, and fix it. Apply glue to the bottom of the windshield and fix it. Remove the support bracket screws. Fix it to the fuselage with 4 screws. Use the Y-line to connect the two wires of the upper wing. Then put the line through this hole. Position the wing onto the support frame according to the corresponding slots. Fix it with the removed screws. Remove the wing support screw. Install it in the corresponding slot on the cart. Secure with screws. Apply glue to the decorative pieces. The installation of the simulation conduit needs attention. The long simulation conduit connects the simulation engine and the wing. After connecting the short simulation duct to the wing, and put it in the corresponding slot. As shown in the video. First, put the pull rod in this slot. Then align the rudder with the slot of the fuselage. Gyro also aligned the slot positions. Pressure applied correctly. Fix it with screws. Find the position first, then use a blade to cut a slot at the marked position. Apply glue to the contact surface. Align it with the previously opened slot. Insert the wheat sheet into it. Now, our finial is properly installed. Position the flat tail rudder angle in the groove. Fix it with screws. Install the back panel. Tighten the screws. Observe the position of the pull rod. If it's too long, shorten it, and fix it in the right position. We also use screws to secure the vertical stabilizer rudder angle. First, screw the pull rod to the appropriate length. And then clamp the chuck. The fin rudder angle lever is now properly installed. First, loosen the machine screw of the tailwheel connector. Loosen it. Next, insert the tailwheel wire into it. Then tighten the machine screw. Remove the nut and gasket from the paddle seat first. The paddle seat is inserted onto the shaft of the motor. Insert it completely. Install the fairing base. Install the propeller. Install the washer and nut. Make sure to tighten the nut. Put on the fairing. Fix it with M4 screws. Just stick it according to the instructions. Now the whole plane is assembled. I'll now demonstrate the wiring using the MISR66A for everyone. First, untie this wire. Channel 1 connects to the aileron cable. Channel 2 connects to the elevator cable. Channel 3 connects to the throttle cable. Channel 4 connects to the directional cable. In this way, all the channel wires are connected. After connecting, we can install the receiver horizontally on the side. Install the batteries and power it on. Aileron test. Horizontal tail test. Vertical tail test. Motor test. The assembly and wiring testing of the entire aircraft is now complete.